So there is a lab which is given here, which is very simple. Let me guide you through the process of unprotected admin functionality, which comes under broken access control. So this lab has an unprotected admin panel. You can solve the lab by deleting the user name Carlos. So we have to delete a user, and once we delete the user, the the lab will also solve. So we are on the website. Let's try to see what functionality we. So on this URL, let's go and try robots.txt because we do not know what is the page name here, but we can directly brute force it using GoBuster or some other tool. But still, let's try from the basics and see if we have robots.txt available here or not. We can see that we have robots.txt available here and they have disallowed a specific page that is slash administrator panel. So definitely this might lead us to the functionality of admin user. So let's go here and erase everything from here and here and let's paste this specific web page here in order to access the functionality of the admin user. And once we are here, we can simply click on delete on Carlos because that was our objective. So in order to solve the lab, we have to click on the admin user. We have to click on the delete button, which will delete the Carlos user from this account. So that was the objective of this lab, and that is what we have done. So that was your unprotected admin functionality because there was no protection applied on protecting the functionality of admin use.
If you want to learn more about web application penetration testing and bug bounty, then you can contact us on the number